the most powerful word to manifest anything that you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and this word is going to allow you to create what you want quick, fast, and easy by harnessing the powers of the universe. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and this word is going to change your life. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Okay, so here's how most people talk. Yeah, I know it'd be really nice if I could get it. I'm really hoping that it'll work out. It'd be really good. No. You have to command the universe. You have to appropriate and stake your claim in the infinite abundance. You have to appropriate and stake your claim in the infinite abundance. You don't hope that you can walk. When you're trying to go walk, you don't hope that you can walk. You don't be like, I really hope that I can walk right now. No, you know that you can walk. You have to know that you can get what you want. So use this word, now. I am wealthy now. I attract love now. I'm attracting God's unlimited resources now. I'm a divine being now. I am attracting infinite financial abundance now. All my videos are inspiring millions of people now, not tomorrow, not next week, not I hope, not I wish, not it'd be great if, not man, that would be really nice, not I think so, but I don't have the right education and I'm too old and I'm too young and I have too many rolls in my stomach and I'm 46 pounds overweight and my teeth are crooked and I didn't go to the right school and I was born in the wrong country and this is my problem and that, no, now. Comment down below, now. I attract what I want now. Comment that down below. I attract what I want now. You have to appropriate and stake your claim from the abundance because you live in a world of free will. This world is entirely based off of free will. You can have whatever you want, but you have to appropriate it and demand it from the universe because the infinite intelligence of the universe is like water. It goes around you, but you have to step into it. So whatever your affirmation is, I am fill in the blank, use it now. So I am attracting wealth now. I am a divine being now. I'm attracting the perfect resources now. I am commanding my subconscious mind to show the way now. And most people, they say their affirmations, but they don't really believe it. And the way that you start to put the emphasis on it is now. Or they state their affirmations, and it's like in this idea that sometime maybe in the future, they're going to be good enough or great enough or worthy enough or lucky enough to get what they want. But it's now. You have to use it now. And that's what sends the command to the subconscious mind. Because the subconscious mind just receives any ideas that you give it. So when you say, I am attracting wealth now, I am wealthy now, I am attracting love now, I'm attracting the resources now, I am totally a divine being now. When you're saying that, the now is a prompt to your subconscious mind to receive the command, because your subconscious mind just sits back and waits for commands from your conscious mind. And when you make that command, your subconscious mind is the pipeline to the infinite intelligence that creates the entire universe. And when your subconscious mind receives a command, it sets up that pipeline to the universe to open up the floodgates of what it is that you want to come into your life. So comment down below, I manifest what I want now. I'm attracting great things now. I attract fabulous wealth now. Comment that down below. So I don't hope that I attract abundance. I don't hope that my day is good. I don't say, yeah, man, I'm attracting good things and put it into the future. I say, I'm attracting great things. I have attracted fantastic things now. God's wealth flows to me now. I am a globally influential thought leader now. I had to be in that reality now, because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real. And this is the big kicker. And this is why I always say download my free success hypnosis right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. And what it is designed to enter success and prosperity affirmations now. into the subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real. It just produces the realities that you command upon it. And when you command now with your subconscious, it receives that command. It's like giving the subconscious nitro fuel or an exceptionally high quantity of caffeine, right? It's like it responds to it immediately. So comment down below, I am manifesting what I want now, and start supercharging your affirmations by ending them all with now. At first, this may feel difficult. Now, the reason it could feel difficult is because you're not used to using an affirmative tone with the laws of the universe. We're generally like, yeah, I really want this, and I'm attracting good things. I really hope I am, actually. We're like afraid to like command from the universe. But the universe is your genie. The universe is like silly putty, and your hands place the mold into it, right? Just like silly putty. It's like this impressionable substance that you put your hands into and it leaves your imprint. Well, the divine intelligence, the conscious intelligence of life is just like that. And it just receives your command and it imprints them, and then it repeats them out and into an experience in life. Just like when you say something in a garage with an echo, it reverberates the echo back to you. The universe reverberates the echoes of what you want back to you if you can affirm them in the present tense now. So comment down below, I am manifesting everything I want now. Large sums of money come to me now. I'm attracting great wealth now. I'm manifesting my true love now. Whatever it is that you want, put it in the present tense and add now at the end. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Use this affirmation out here in the world today. Now, now, now. Now I am attracting great things because I recognize I'm a divine being worthy of every single thing that I desire. Now, not tomorrow, not next week. I'm worthy of everything that I desire. Thought energy is the most powerful energy in the world, and I harness thought energy at every single moment to command and bend the universe towards my will. I'm a powerful being. I'm attracting what I want now. So comment down below, I manifest everything that I desire now. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. If you haven't yet, make sure you download my free success hypnosis. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And use that to retrain your subconscious mind to attract success and abundance into your life. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. You are a powerful being. It's time for you to stake your claim and command and bend the universe to your very will, because the universe is a totally forgiving and graceful substance. The divine intelligence is, and it's going to bend to your thought energy, but you have to put a now into it and command it so that it shows up in your life.